Welcome to the lightning round. I mean Canada, eh? Hey, investors. Welcome to our analysis of the top 5 Canadian dividend stocks and their performance over the last 10 days. We're going north of the border to the land of Mounties, maple syrup, and massive shareholder payouts. That's right, these Canadian companies are known for their juicy dividends, and we're gonna dissect them like a plate of poutine. In this video, we'll break down the key metrics and trends you need to know to make informed investment decisions. We'll talk about earnings, we'll talk about dividends, we'll talk about the fundamentals that drive these companies. So buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the exciting world of Canadian dividend stocks. First up, we've got the Royal Bank of Canada. This isn't just some bank, it's the bank in Canada. And let me tell you, they've been delivering the goods for shareholders. Over the last 10 days during a chaotic market, the stock has been relatively stable, up and down within 0.50%. Now some of you might be thinking, Jim, that's not a lot, but hold your horses. We're talking about a blue chip company with a rock-solid dividend. Their yield is currently sitting at approximately 3.51%, and they've got a history of increasing that dividend year after year. This is the kind of stock you want to own for the long haul. Next up is another Canadian banking behemoth, Toronto-Dominion Bank. TD has been on a tear lately, with the stock up within the range of 1 to 2% over the past 10 days. They've got a strong presence in both Canada and the US, which gives them a nice diversified revenue stream. And when it comes to dividends, TD doesn't disappoint. On Friday, April 25, 2025, they yielded approximately 4.83%. And they've been consistently growing that dividend for years. This is another stock that you can buy and sleep well at night owning. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about Enbridge, the energy infrastructure giant. They own and operate pipelines that transport oil and gas all over North America. Now I know what you're thinking. Jim, isn't the energy sector a little risky right now? And you're not wrong. But here's the thing about Enbridge. They've got a wide moat around their business. Their pipelines are essential infrastructure, and they're generating tons of cash flow. That means they can afford to pay a hefty dividend, and that's exactly what they do. Enbridge is yielding a whopping 6.2% on the last Friday, April 25th, 2025. Chapter 4. Now let's move on to the Bank of Nova Scotia, also known as Scotia Bank. This bank is a little different from the others on our list because they have a huge international presence, particularly in Latin America. Now, some investors might see that as a risk, but I see it as an opportunity. Scotiabank is tapping into high-growth markets, and that's going to pay off in the long run. Plus, they're a dividend-paying machine. Scotiabank is currently yielding approximately 6.26%, and it has a solid track record of dividend growth. Chapter 5. Last but certainly not least, we have Canadian National Railway. This is the railroad that connects Canada from coast to coast. We're talking about a company with a massive economic moat. They transport everything from grain to oil to consumer goods. And let me tell you, business is booming. The stock has been on fire lately in the last 10 days. But don't worry, they're still paying a solid dividend. Canadian National Railway is currently yielding approximately 2.64%, and they've got a long history of dividend increases. Thank you for watching our analysis of the top 5 Canadian dividend stocks. Listen, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these Canadian companies deserve a close look. They offer a compelling combination of stability, growth potential, and of course those juicy dividends. Remember, these are just a starting point. Do your own research, consider your investment goals, and as always, invest responsibly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on stock performance and market trends. Until next time, stay informed, stay invested, and most importantly, stay mad about dividends. Before we dive into the world of Canadian dividend stocks, it's important to note that this video is for widening knowledge and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. By understanding the fundamentals and doing your own due diligence, you can make informed choices that align with your financial goals. Now let's get into it.